y'all, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a nude acrylic set. I've already started by prepping my nails and shaping and filing the tips, and I'm going to start now by adding dehydrator, and then I'm going to follow with primer. I'm going to try to start recording my prep. It's just harder for me to record because I have to hold my hands at different angles, at a closer angle, but I'm going to try and get adjusted to it. Today I'm going to be using the Mia's Secret Natural Pink Acrylic Powder. I'm going to start with the pointer finger, which is in real time. The rest of them aren't. But I kind of section my finger off into 3 spots. I start at the tip, and then I add a bead to the middle, and then I add a bead to the bottom near the cuticle. And then as I go along, I just add acrylic where I see I need to add acrylic. This video took more time for me to film. As you can see, I'm going to keep cutting through. It's because both of my acrylic brushes are messed up, and I had like major attitude because I didn't know how they messed up, but they were just both messed up, and it became really hard to apply the acrylic and spread the acrylic. But I had major attitude while filming this, but I'm going to figure all that out. Just want to let y'all know that that's why I'm cutting through a lot. You're going to repeat the application for the rest of your fingers, and then just do it at the thickness you want. If you want it curved, do it at the angle that you want. Really, it's all up to you how you want the nail. I don't like my nails too curved, but I don't like them too straight, and I don't like my nails too thin, but I don't like them too thick. So it's all about how you like your nails. So just add acrylic, continue to add acrylic how you like it. I'm still doing the secret emoji shout out. I will leave the rules in the description box down below, but in case I forget, the rules are in a couple of videos back in the description box, but I'll try to remember to put the rules in the description box for this video, and the secret emoji will be in the description box. So these are all the nails after all the acrylic is applied. And these are the nails after the filing, shaping, and buffing, which I'm going to start trying to do on camera again with the angles. It's just harder for me to adjust. Now I'm taking this regular nail polish that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's not gel, it just says gel. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to do my first coat of 2 coats onto all of the nails. You can pick any nude color of your choice. You can do gel polish, you can do regular polish. This is just the nude that I had that I wanted to use, and again, I got this one from Dollar Tree. Once your first coat dries, you're going to go ahead, take your polish, and apply your second coat. If you're using gel polish, cure the first coat, put on a second coat, and cure the next coat. Once your second coat is dry, I'm going to take this regular top coat nail polish and apply that to all the nails once they have completely dried. If you want to use a gel top coat, you can, but mind you, since we're using regular nail polish, you have to make sure the regular nail polish is dried underneath before you use a gel top coat. The first coat of top coat is all the way dry. You're gonna do a second coat. If you're using gel polish, you don't have to worry about doing a second coat, but this is regular nail polish, so I have to do a second layer of top coat. Once the top coat had completely dried, I added oil and rubbed it into my cuticles, and that was it. I really do like how these came out. They're really cute and simple. This might be the last acrylic video for a little while until I get my brushes fixed. But yeah, that's it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with other nailaholics, if that's even a term. I don't know, but share the video. Follow me on Instagram. That's it, y'all. Thanks for watching.